Will insurance cover a fallen tree in my yard? What about my tree in my neighbor's yard? Most homeowners' insurance policies will cover fallen tree damage to your home, its contents, and other structures, like a detached garage, as long as the tree fell due to unforeseeable perils like fire, windstorms, ice, snow, and lightning. If the damage is deemed preventable, or when no buildings are involved, you'll be responsible for those costs. Certain natural disasters, like floods or earthquakes, require separate insurance policies. The same rules apply no matter who the tree belongs to. If tree damage follows inadequate tree maintenance and could have reasonably been prevented, insurance may not help. If your neighbor's tree falls on your house due to an unpredictable, covered event, you'll file a claim with your insurance company. And if your tree falls on your neighbor's house, they'll contact their own insurance carrier, unless you could have prevented it, in which case insurance might not help. Of course, valid insurance claims for tree damage to structures and their contents are always subject to your plan limits and deductibles. Make sure you're covered by the insurance that's right for you. Get in touch with a trusted choice independent agent before tree damage happens to get multiple quotes tailored to your needs. Be independent. Go independent.